Hello friends, today's topic is where to say yes, where to say no. Friends, yes and no are very two small words of our language, but these are very powerful words. These two words can sometimes maintain our relation to a person or destroy our relation to a person. But friends, don't you think that many times we say yes to those work or those tasks which are unimportant to us just to please others? You cannot have all the things in your plate. You have to take out something out of the plate which is not necessary for you or which is unimportant for you to keep something important in the plate. Even a juggler cannot hold all the balls in his hand. He has to pull a ball in the air just to take or catch another ball in the hand. That will balance his life, that will balance his game. In the same way, we also have to understand which work, which task is important and which work needs a yes and which task needs a no. And what do you think? Just by saying yes, can you please a person for always? No. If a person is negative, he will pick out something negative in your task that you have done just to please him, and he will be angry again. So never say yes just to please others. This will not make him please for always. And it's not your job always to please others. Always try to please yourself. Have satisfaction of your job. Have satisfaction inside yourself that you have done the work less in quantity, less in amount, but you have done it well. So never say yes just to please others. Say yes to yourself. Say yes to positive things, positive people. Say yes to chances, opportunities, growth, level. Say yes to these things. These things will actually enrich, or these things will take your life to countless, experiences that will enrich your life. So to enrich your life and to have countless new experiences, you have to say yes to those things that please you yourself. And say no to those things which are unimportant. And no is not a bad word. By saying no, that doesn't mean you are a bad person. That doesn't mean that you are impolite or rude to some other person. That means that you are mature enough, you are understanding by nature that you can differentiate between the two things, that what is right for you and what is wrong for you, which work you want to prioritize. You are mature enough to prioritize your task of the life. Which one is important, which one is not important. You have to say no to those things which are negative to you, which are, wastage of time and energy for you, which are not pleasing you, which are not giving you growth, which are not giving you challenges or opportunities in the life. So learn where to say yes, where to say no. And to learn these two things, where to say yes, where to say no, you have to learn how to prioritize your work. When you are making a timetable, when you are prioritizing your task, you will very easily find out which work is important and you have to say yes to that thing. By saying yes, actually you are also declining your growth or your efforts, because by saying yes to each and everything, you are naturally going to decline your power of concentration. You will naturally be unable to concentrate on the things that you want to do. So saying no is also a good thing, because saying no will make you concentrate on the things that already you have, and you will give your best efforts to those things. So don't think that no is a negative word. No is not a negative word. No can be a very good word because it is giving you concentration. So always be mature enough to learn which work is important, which work is not important, and learn to say yes or no. Thank you.